There was a 100-meter race, and Somalia had a person who was...
I know what you're talking about.
Y'all, please look at this video.
There's probably good ass runners in that country who got overlooked, who've been training.
Yeah.
No, but Rebecca's laughing, but I'm dead ass serious. That to me is so messed up, because let's say you from this country and you like, dang, this is what I want to do. I want to be a professional athlete. And this girl taking your spot, first of all, making our country look bad. And I think if I'm a part of the, like, girl, I'm done talking,
Somalian community,
laughing.